Hey, it's Jason with jamzDOTnet, cars, DIY, and adventures, and I am up here in Bernville, Pennsylvania, staying in this old barn, and we're going to be checking out Koziar's Christmas Village, which was built in 1948. This is the 75th anniversary, and it is a massive outdoor village. This guy in 1948 set it up for his wife, and she loved Christmas, and he built an amazing outdoor display, and it has been carried on ever since. So we're going to head over once the sun sets and check it out. Is this Christmas village worth it, or is it a bust? Stay tuned and find out. Okay, so leaving Kozier's right now. We spent probably about an hour here looking at everything, and it's cool. It is packed though, and it isn't even, it's like November 15th today, and it's absolutely packed. So it makes it kind of hard to get up close and see everything. But I think it was good to be able to say we came. I'm not sure I would say I would make this a yearly 2-hour drive to come visit.